We're getting a coin and scratching off some cards because this year's first $1,000 pack opening is about to go down right now. But before it does, if this video hits 35,000 likes, I will do a special $1,000 pack opening this Christmas for all of you guys. So for everybody that wants to see it, do each other a favor, go down there and drop a like on this video. And without further ado, let's get into the madness that is to come. Let's do it. We are here. First $1,000 pack opening of the year is going down right now. Frank is here. Ricky is here with a grenade. And TJ is also here. First time here for a $1,000 pack opening. This is a special moment. As you can see, the points are loaded onto the account. We also have another $100 worth on Frank's account. He's going to open up one of those.
First pack, let's go.
These have been hot, so get ready.
Trash.
Super Cup is pretty hot.
Get ready. That's...
Let's go!
Hey. 230K first pack. Let's go.
Wow.
Bang! Let her in. Power up.
Did I win?
Derrick Henry. Don't know if that's good. Hey,
Thomas
we got an elite there, baby. There we go. Off to a start.
That's not terrible.
Elite right away.
That's pretty.
That's
Let's
decent.
go.
That's
We
decent.
take 87 elites. Bro.
Hey, yeah. I mean, hey.
Justin Herbert.
Hey.
Yo.
Oh yeah. By the way, I don't know if the video is out yet, but I did a $1,000 IRL pack opening. Thing was insane. So either check it out right now or look forward to that in like a couple days. Whoa!
What is that?
Whoa!
No, what is that?
Mike Hilton. Why does he
That's
have an
not right.
89?
That's not right.
Oh, McCaffrey power up. We probably shouldn't be getting that excited for an 89. I actually don't. Steve Smith. I'm
88
zooming
Steve
right
Smith
now.
ain't terrible either.
69.
Maybe this rating.
Oh!
Yes. Yes.
Bo Jackson!
Oh, that was...
That's a
I
rip.
think they're related at least. Hey.
This is
Only
hilarious.
if it was the other way around, we'd be great.
Why you bullying me?
It's all good though.
That hey.
See, this thing, they got the cool animations. They do.
Elite?
Hey, 3 elites
We're
in a
hitting
row.
elite. Yeah.
4 elites in a row.
What is going on?
Imagine an all elite pack real quick.
If
Imagine.
you get an all elite pack, TJ
Power up. Power up.
I'll say TJ running on naked.
Okay, elite.
That's bad.
Buddha.
Sorry. Hey,
Buddha.
sorry. I
Booty.
didn't know.
Hey, that's all right.
82. Hey, that's
What is
another
that?
legend.
Oh, that's good.
Hey, LT.
No! Dang it!
You
What?
want to bet?
I was gonna bet you if we pull something over a 90 overall, you have to shave your head.
All right, we're gonna open up the 87 plus. Looking for that 94. Oh wait. That's the highest overall
not bad.
card. That
That's
is good.
really
That actually
good.
is good.
That's really
There's
good.
no good reaction because it is Matt Burke.
Here we go. Hey, first pack.
Hey, spoiler alert!
Russell
Russell Wilson.
That's not terrible.
Yeah, dude, it was cold here. It's heating up.
It is heating up. I'm
I don't
pretty
know what
hot
this
right
could
now.
be.
All right, Frank, heat it back up. Heat it back up. Come on, we're looking for a 90 here. That's bad. If you know
Kenny
it's gonna
G.
be trash, you just skip it. All right, because we don't got time for the nonsense. Wow, 3 elites though.
Whoa!
That's bad. That's bad. Skip it. Wait, what?
Whoa!
Okay,
was
that
a
wasn't
little
as bad
more
as I
green, so it
thought.
wasn't bad.
It's gonna be awesome whenever we check out Lawrence Taylor and it's worth like 20K. It might be. Hey, that was good last time, wasn't it? Boom! It's okay.
That was good last.
Yeah. That was,
Oh wait, I think is it a guaranteed 89 whenever that shows up?
Palomalu right
Bang.
here. Oh, we're so close.
that's
I
funny.
was so
That's
close.
funny. Oh, that's.
Boom.
Hey!
It's Minka again. Oh, that one's good. You see the shining?
Oh my
Pow, baby! This is a good pack. Guess I have to now.
What is
the
that?
heck is
Whoa!
that? Yo!
That was 89.
Are
It's
you
a
kidding
heavyweight,
for
bro.
all that?
That's a heavyweight.
So that's gonna be an 89 every time.
Tre'Davious White. Hey, that's still not that bad.
That's not bad. Beat a 92 right
Oh,
here.
that
That's
might
a
be a
legend. Beat it.
Oh!
There we go, right off the bat. Patrick
There's your
Queen.
user.
Ricky!
Oh, that's
Stop it.
good.
Ricky!
What is
Cut it
that?
out.
Okay, there you go. You got
Can we get a naked pack? Dang it, no we can't.
it.
Power up Tyreek
Go.
Hill.
Is
It's
that-
not worth as much as it used to be because that was like a 100K
But
card at the
that's
beginning of
still
the year.
good.
Hey, trash!
That was the worst
What
pack of the
the
day.
heck is even that?
You're way off. Ricky might be the worst pack opener I've ever had.
Oh!
This is awful. Whoa, what is that?
Ricky!
Yo, kinda. I don't know.
I
Is that
don't
good?
know what
Why was
that
that a
even
pink?
means.
Why was that pink? Whoa! Hold on. Calm down a little bit. Slow down.
Now, let's
I think all these. I think all these.
Let's go!
Right.
Give us a good card, TJ. Come on. Hey, he did. He did. You see the flare right there.
Are you sure about that?
That's garbage.
That's it?
How's that an 87?
What? Uh-oh. Finally gets a team of the week.
Hey!
Hey! Decent pull. Decent pull. Hey! Oh, come on. Be big. Be big.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Dang, one
Dude,
away.
we were one away. We were one away. No. Yeah, I smell that pretty bad.
Oh, not.
Yo!
Let's go, TJ.
Oh, this is bad.
Bo Jackson.
Guess again.
That ain't bad at all!
Bad. Please. All right. Rigo!
Oh, that sucked.
Wow.
Blue card? Robbie?
Whoa, that's bright.
Deep threat? I've never seen that before.
Yes! Yes!
Good. You guys stop him.
You
It's
like
good.
Yikes.
Does an 87?
All right, I gotta do this quick. Let's go!
That was sick.
I might consider it though. Oh, I just skipped that. Dang it. That is a football player.
What the heck is even that?
Whoa, that was fast. How's anybody supposed to see? Oh, you're gonna do a fast pass? Whoa, that was good!
Ah, what happened?
Oh, wait, this is the 87?
That's already
That's a huge pull. That's huge.
That is a brand new card today.
W.
I pulled that ring!
Oh, you win game changer. Okay.
If you start off bad, then it just. Pay attention, TJ.
There's one.
That's
That's
two.
two.
That's two.
Stephon Gilmore.
Oh, I don't think so.
Hey! Oh!
Hey! Hey!
Oh!
Hey.
Oh my gosh!
All right.
Come on.
How do we make this up? Wait, you gotta go back.
Gotta go backwards. You gotta go
No,
backwards.
no, no,
Are you-
no, no, no. I gotta send it this
All right,
way.
go. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Lakin Tomlinson.
Okay.
One.
Most feared,
Ooh.
Auden Tate.
Two.
Who would even
Two.
fear that guy?
2. 3. We're closing in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Told you. 81. 80,
Send it!
81.
Send it! Send it! Send it! Send it!
I thought those could only be over. Are you kidding me? You should get naked anyway.
Yo!
One.
Who are we gonna get? Matt Ryan?
Hey.
Oh,
yo,
that's
that
a
might
good
be
one. Please be high overall. Come on.
Nope.
Ah! That hurt. That hurt. Oh, this is the 87. Oh. Foil?
No, this is garbage.
That is
Lane
garbage.
Johnson.
Final round.
Hey,
Final
that's an 88.
round.
That's an 88, bro.
Final round. No.
Bro, you got
the 93. We have an elite card. That's a
Nice.
Derrick Henry. And an Edgerrin James. And a team of the week card. That's an 88.
Wow.
And that garbage.
Wow.
Hey.
Hey, this one's dedicated to Frank's life. Very fast.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah!
That looked good, didn't it? No!
This is last pass.
Oh, this is the last pack. Boo. Wait,
Okay,
Frank
I'm
is
looking.
opening.
I'm not looking.
What?
Who the heck is that?
Yeah.
That's what you came up with?
Get us an elite card. This is the Dominican Sue. Oh, brother.
Cam Jordan. You know what? You know what? We're taking that.
Right.
We have faith.
Right.
Why are you skipping 88s like that?
It could be redeemed right here.
He is gonna save it.
Oh, that's fine.
He did save
I
it.
saved it. I'll take that.
All right, we're back. Day 2. We have Legends Fantasy Packs to open. Hey, really quickly, just so you're not confused, we all did a little wager where we all picked a single player, and whoever's player showed up got a free Baconator meal paid by the other people. I chose Adam Thielen. Frank chose Buda Baker. Ricky chose Matt Ryan. Joe chose Russell Wilson. TJ chose Juju. And Logan chose Julio Jones. Let the games begin.
Oh,
That's a
Hey,
great
that was a
start.
good day 2 start.
Here we go, elite.
Oh, dude.
Oh, nobody said out.
Round
We
2.
good?
Some cheese.
Oh, trash.
Oh, that's good. Yo!
That's nice.
Oh, no, it's not. It's an 89. That's the same one we had last time. We don't have 87s. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's bold. Hey, I've never seen that. Is you blind? Hey. TJ gets to do another pack because he pulled a 90, all right? Up. Oh. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on a third try. Dang.
Hey, take Cameron Jordan.
Good round, though.
Dad.
Hey.
Hey, Jerry.
Hey. 87? 88? Yes. Hey!
Yo.
Ricky's on fire right now. How many Gronks can we get?
That would be 2. I wish that would have been.
Hey, 87 plus.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It moved it to the back. It did move it to the back.
Yay!
That's not the
You're
high.
lucky.
They switched where they're at.
Yeah, it
That's
did. It
why.
actually did.
It's not over yet. It's still going.
I ain't done.
Oh, give us the coins. Shove it! Oh, he took it! Yo! That
Ricky,
just freaking happened.
Ricky gets another one. Ricky
So the
gets
player
another
that
one.
Joe said for the Baconator meal was Russell Wilson, and because his my voice cracked. Because his card was a higher overall, Joe just took over, and Ricky pulled it.
Wow!
Even more awesome.
Wow!
What are you doing?
It did that because of what he hit before. So it's still probably $1.
Wait for it.
Oh, what he said, Jason.
Wait for it.
Oh.
Wait for it. Hey, Dion.
We got 89. I'm still in it. I'm still in it.
One Matt Ryan has shown up.
This could be Frank's final pack. Oh, he's staying alive. Possibly. Fight!
Oh, he didn't.
Hey, you got Steve out one. Press B, press B.
Ricky has now regained the lead for the Baconator meal.
Wow. What are the odds? What are the odds? What are the odds?
Needs an 89, might get one.
Hey,
Boom.
I'm still down. I don't want to pull the Russell.
Going again. Bam! Nice. That's an alright pull. Oh, dang!
That's nice.
That is nice. Ryan! Oh no, it's over! It's over! That's it! What is going on? Baconator
All three
secured!
of them for it.
Oh! What is that? Oh, what? No, I don't think so. 93!
Whoa,
What is that? Hey, we're gonna get another good card? Yes, kind of.
I didn't pull my.
Silence! Alright, you can talk now. That was bad. One more bundle. One more bundle.
Russell.
One more bundle.
Russell.
One more bundle.
Russell.
One more bundle.
Wilson.
Toss me in the game. Hey, look at that dude.
What's up?
Probably.
Card first.
Hey, we got one!
Alright, Frank's
On the board.
What are the chances? Wait a minute.
Oh, brother. Look at that. Look at that! Hey!
That's big. That's big.
And another one? Are you kidding me? Stop it.
that-
Oh, that's a coin card right there, too. You got another one. For who? Oh, okay. Gino actually been showing.
It just got interesting.
Hey,
Yo.
And remember, there's 2 versions of Julio, too. Come on, just give it to him right now. Why not?
That would be so funny.
I walk in the door, show my puffs get done.
Oh, this is awesome.
He's only got to what? Hit one more, right?
You know, that's it.
Two packs left.
Hey, you know, Logan, I will sacrifice my 1 card to getting a player for you to get one.
Thank you. I really
Julio, yeah. Uh-oh? Bruh. Oh, dang it, that's not I tried to sacrifice it for you.
Man, I suck.
Imagine I come out of nowhere and pull 2 Adam Thielens in this last pack.
Imagine going through all these and not having your player pulled one time.
Hey, hold on, alright, hold
it's
on,
red.
hold on. Okay, hold on, don't open up that. That has a chance to be red. That has to be a legend, so open up that first. Last chance for a dang Julio. Oh, it's not.
Oh man.
I actually don't know if you're serious or not. Hello? Alright, everybody, that's going to be the last pack of the $1,100 pack opening. If you enjoyed, please drop a like. We'll do more of these. And yeah, that's about it.
Off to Wendy's.
Off the Wendy's for Ricky. You already know you're the best. God bless. Don't forget to keep it first. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.